Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max new leaks reveal price and key features. According to the latest available data, Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max price hike may make it most expensive. Ever strangely enough, Apple actually cut the price in 2024 for the Pro Max. That's a far cry this year. Fresh leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max and iPhone 17 series have surfaced, shedding light on potential price, iPhone 17 design, and key upgrades. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max will be the most premium and pricey model in the eagerly awaited iPhone 17 series, and probably in the history of iPhones as well. Slated to be launched in September, the iPhone 17 lineup is rumored to have a higher price point, partly because of Trump tariffs, and also due to Apple's reported decision to hike prices due to feature upgrades. The Pro Max has been the priciest iPhone in the past years, and expectedly, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will be so too. A recent post from Weibo user Instant Digital, known for occasional accurate Apple leaks, suggests the iPhone 17 Pro Max could feature a groundbreaking 5,000 mAh battery, surpassing the 4,676 mAh capacity of the current iPhone 16 Pro Max. In addition, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is tipped to get a larger camera bump, with a 48-megapixel telephoto, a huge upgrade from the 12-megapixel on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. A rumored 24-megapixel front camera will also be an improvement over the older 12-megapixel one. Dual front and rear video recording might be available, along with 8K video support, a first for Pro. As for the price, new leaks indicate that the iPhone 17 Pro Max price can be approximately $1,900. This represents a significant price increase, $230 when compared with the launch pricing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max at $1,690. That's a far cry this year. Speculation about a unique dynamic island size for the Pro Max has been debunked, suggesting the Pro and Pro Max will share similar designs, barring the battery upgrade. iPhone 17 Pro models, and even the iPhone 17 Air, are rumored to have 12 GB of RAM. This upgrade should help to improve the performance of Apple Intelligence and multitasking. The presentation of the entire iPhone 17 series, including the Air and Pro models, is expected in September this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.